Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change parental controls on Disney+. Click on your profile picture and click on Edit Profiles. Choose a profile where you want to change your parental controls and click on the pencil icon in the corner. Now I will type in PIN for this profile, and simple as that you will scroll down and see the parental controls window for this profile. You can enable junior mode, so this means that a profile with curated content and features and simplified user interface will be applied to this, and you can also enable kid-proof exit with a password. So just type in your password to your account real quick. Or if you just turn off the junior mode, then you can simply select content rating. So that means that you can select exactly what age your children are, and that way they will be not shown shows that are over their age. It's really this simple. Press save. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.